First time seeing Florida mountain. See, the water, I think. That's the train. Hello mga guys. We're going to Joyride to Bradenton. What is that? Wow, train. Ako mas na ina mo de. What is that mas na mo de? What a mas na in English?
Factory.
Factory. What is that factory that one in there?
Maybe refinery. Must one.
Riverview facility. This is Riverview already.
Mosaic.
Okay guys, bye. Thanks for watching. The river or what? The sea? Gibsonton. See? Welcome to Gibsonton. This is Gibsonton. We passed the Riverview.
Yeah.
Wow, the swimming pool. Malada plastic.
Det är fiberglass.
Fiberglass. Hello ada. Ini rasa sawi jero pura kapo mo de.
هو على اساس من هذا كان دورك ابو ال 40,000.
40,000.
بعدين هاي كنسل.
That's too much. Ako horse na mungkin. There's a lot of view. This is Bradenton maybe. It's on the beach. It's not beach. From the bridge. From the bridge. What is that? Manatee Memorial Hospital. Mo Bradenton. Bradenton is Manatee.
ايه صح احنا ببرد.
City limit of Bradenton.
In 1 mile, keep left onto US 301 South.
Hello guys. We buy that the concrete mix. And I have free plants here. What they call this?
Swedish ivy.
Swedish ivy. And we still going home. It's far away. I got nice fern. It's free. It's a lot. Bye. Tayo na, bye.
Yeah.
We can see the mountain. I love it. Look at the river. The river or the sea?
Look, this is not natural mountain. This is man-made mountains. It used to be like that, and then they are.
Look, they're working the top.
They push the water up and make plant and become like this one on the left side.
Become natural.
Yeah, it looks like natural, but it's not just. It's just man-made.
see the other side, only that side.
Yeah,
We not see this cover
here.
here on the top.
Look at that side.
Look
That's
at
so
that.
beautiful. It's green.
There's the, what is that, like?
You see the pipe, the black pipe on top?
Yeah, that's, I see.
That's the water.
We cannot see the other side, but there is. Like, see? Now I see.
Alright.
Alright, bye guys.